Well, hello there. This is Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. And if you need my help, call me at 901-359-4165. All right, anyway, as I mentioned, I'm Senior Consultant with Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. And we're just looking at a work site here. What's been going on today is, so far, still early in the morning, but the old roof is off. Don't worry about all this debris on the ground. My father was an Army Master Sergeant. He's in the Army 27 years. I raised a Marine. I know what clean's all about. So when we're done, ladies, it's completely clean. But anyway, if you don't know a lot about roof jobs, the old roof has to come off, so the old roof is off. Then you see our stack of material over here. We not only have the shingles there, but you know, if I took the time to walk all over there and get up closer, you'll see the underlayment that's there. That underlayment is going to be put on the wood that you see up top. There's also let's see what else we got. Starter strips and ice and water in the valleys. Ridge vents are going on as well. So when we're completely done, this will be a brand new roof. It'll ventilate properly. It's going to be great. If you need my help with a claim, or if you just need free advice about a claim, about replacing your roof, or hey, old school, you just want a bid, we still do those, call me. My name is Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165. Thanks. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.